Hey guys, been a little bit since I've done a videos on vacation, but now I'm back. So today we actually had another phantom print on our ranges. So it says our range was 357.28, but I believe we never broke below 363.9. Our actual range was about $4. However, it says we closed the $10.70 range today, which is obviously completely incorrect. So there's been so many of these phantom ranges lately. I really don't know what to make of them. We still have this phantom range that's not been filled, which was 373.29. So we still have, which maybe tomorrow we'll fill that. I'm not really sure at this point, honestly, what to think about them on all these phantom ranges. It's never happened this much before. But here we are. So we have a couple things going for us here. We have this red bear channel, which we have resistance of 370.8 tomorrow. We have the black bear channel, which dates pretty far back here, you can see. That resistance is right here at 366.7 for tomorrow. The thing to note the most here, though, is that we're pretty much in this range, and we could really call it 370.6 to 356.5. This is pretty much where a majority of the trading is taking place. So really, until one of these ranges breaks out and is sustained, we're just kind of in a middle port here. I'm more bearish than I am bullish just because of the VIX, and I'll get to that. Looking at futures, so futures, same thing here. We have this red bear channel, which gives us resistance today of 37.80. And then we also have the black bear channel, which we did just break out of. So we had a key resistance right here of 36.80 that we were watching today, and that is broken. So the next key resistance point really is going to be 38.05. We are back over the daily 8 EMA. We're not the daily 20 EMA. This is a big rejection point, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Key support will be 36.80, and the next big one is 35.88. With this black bear channel being broken, we should suspect that black SPY will break through, obviously, and we should look for a test somewhere from 368.7 to really 373.2 tomorrow, which maybe fulfill this phantom print, and then we'll drop down. We're in a similar movement-wise as we were on these 2 days with this huge pre-market movement and just huge movement in general with vol today. Looking at Apple, Apple actually looked relatively weak, I will say, today compared to the market. Despite putting in its almost 3% day, it really was pretty weak. We have a key resistance level right here at this 142.3. The next major resistance is going to be up here at 146.5. Key support is 138.2 still. We are in the blue falling wedge, which key resistance is right there at that 142.8 tomorrow. And then we have the black bear channel resistance, which is 145.9. This black bear resistance on Apple is super strong. We have 1, 2, 3, almost 4 touches on it, 3 for sure. So this will be a resistance that if this is broken, that will make me more bullish for the upside. Looking at Tesla, I'm actually really surprised by Tesla's movements today. Obviously, we have been in a massive sell-off on Tesla. But the interesting thing about Tesla is we had this big green day, or this slightly big green day here that engulfed this candle. And then we came back and re-engulfed it into a bearish candle. But the weird thing about it is that we then had a huge, massive 7% day up. It is an inside day. So this is not usually a pattern you would see. It almost looks like it could be a bear flag for the next leg down. Maybe kind of a similar movement to we saw up here before the next big leg down. Earnings is in 2 days, so this also could just be volatility with earnings. Key resistance for tomorrow for this black bear channel is 221, and the next really major resistance is 224.2. Key support is 215.2 and followed by 205.2. Looking at the VIX. So the VIX had an opportunity to unwind, and it chose not to. So you can see we retested the bull channel right here, support, and we held that. And it also held the 20 EMA. So this actually opens more upside, which would bring downside for SPY. Which is also weird because if you think SPY just had a 3% green day, I mean, we put in a 6% green day on Tesla or SPY, you would think the VIX would have had a massive drop. It only dropped 2%. I mean, it opened at 32.27 and closed at 31.36. That is not the type of movement from the VIX that you would expect with a big 3% day. And that's kind of like what we saw back on October 3rd and 4th, which is right here. This was October 3rd, which we did have the huge movement, but on October 4th, we just had a baby move down. So I am wondering if we're going to see a pop up on the VIX, and then that'll bring SPY back down. After hours right now and futures is not really looking like that. As you can see, futures is up 0.7% and looks pretty strong, but we're at a pretty big rejection point right here, so we'll see what happens. All right, I hope you guys had a great day back, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. I am providing my Discord link right here. That's the lifetime link. If it doesn't work, go ahead and send me a message and I will get you a new link. I do have a pre-market update I do every day where I update with supports and resistances and different scenarios that might play out through the day. I also do a live commentary throughout the day with updates and changes, and I do push out buy and sell alerts on SPY and other tickers that I'm trading at the time. Currently, membership is $20 per month or $228 per year. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok under SPY Optionaire or Reddit under Daddy Dirch.